Hi, I'm Matt with Lloyd Bridges Travelland, and this is the all-new Cougar 276RLS. As you can see here on the front, this is the new Cougar graphics with the new max turn cap. You got the backup mirror with the two LED lights. This unit is half-ton towable. You got the super slide here. Take you around to the passenger side. You got an electric awning, outside speakers, nice storage, aluminum wheels. This is one of Cougar's top selling floor plans. So make your way to the back here. This unit's equipped with a ladder, nice big bay window, spare tire and cover. And we're going to go ahead and take a look. Here we are in the interior of the 276RLS. Nice cross ventilation here in the bedroom. You got a nice big walk around queen bed with storage underneath it. Lots of nice storage. This is the Sedona suede interior color. You can see there, nice big stand-up shower with a skylight. Additional storage. Nice big vanity sink with a mirror. The toilet's porcelain foot flush toilet. To make our way, you actually have a pocket door here to separate the bedroom from the living area. A lot nicer than your fabric based style that a lot of manufacturers still use. Like I said, this is a rear living. You got the two swivel rockers, big bay window in the back. This has the all new cherry wood interior. Front entertainment. The LCD TV does come with it. We take it out for security purposes. Just overall a great floor plan. Like I said, this is one of Cougar's #1 selling floor plans, has been for many years. And the Cougar line itself is going on its 9th year of being the top selling fifth wheel in its class. And as you see from this video, it's easy to tell why. They're just doing a lot of things right. A lot of value for the dollar. Beautiful decor. Like I said, this is the Sedona suede, very modern. It's got a nice rich feel to it. Thanks for checking out my YouTube video. I'm Matt with Lloyd Bridges Travelland. Give me a call anytime on my cell phone, 616-633-9572. That's 616-633-9572. Thank you.